Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about liquid penetrant testing. Which of the following is not a step in the liquid penetrant testing process? A. Surface preparation. B. Penetrant application. C. Excess penetrant removal. D. Developer application. E. X-ray exposure. The correct answer is E. X-ray exposure. What is the primary purpose of liquid penetrant testing? A. To detect surface cracks. B. To measure material hardness. C. To determine material composition. D. To assess weld strength. E. To evaluate material thickness. The correct answer is A. To detect surface cracks. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which of the following materials is most suitable for liquid penetrant testing? A. Porous materials. B. Non-magnetic materials. C. Magnetic materials. D. Non-porous materials. Transparent materials. The correct answer is D. Non-porous materials. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.